Good morning, goeiemôre mense. Today vandag die 4de Junie 2026. Today the 5th of June 2026, and it's raining again, but I'm going from this clip, I'm going back to the 31st of May. See if I can do that. Ek gaan nou dit kyk of ek dit kan doen om nog terug te gaan na die 31ste Mei toe, waar ek die wiel reggemaak het van deze. Ek moet ry met daai ding nou in die kar stasiebaar. And as you can see, it's raining. It's more than 60 millimeters of rain has fallen already. Let me get the umbrella. Let's have a look at the water flowing here, and it's quite astonishing. That is redelijk iets wil ek sê, vreemd. Look at the water flowing here. Now this is our kloof, and I need a kayak to get over this across. Dit lyk my ek moet 'n kayak kry om hier oor te gaan. Kyk hoe kom die water daarso. The water, okay, that's the umbrella, and want to zoom into there. Come on now. That's it. Now there is a culvert, and this is the water. Zoom out a little bit. There you can see cars are parked there behind the trees. There you can see some blue there. The yellow you can't see. Okay. So, all the tanks are overflowing. The tank loopt oor. And now I must go for a drive. And I hope the station wagon will start. Ek hoop die stasie gaan start, want die battery is nie goed. The battery isn't good. So now I'm going to stop this video here, and I think I'm going to add it to the end of the video in the next clip. Die volgende clip gaan op die einde sit van die 31ste van die stasie waar se papwiel regmaak. So ons kyk maar wat gebeur. So I had to fix my yellow station wagon. The rear tire, die agterkant agterband moet ek regmaak. Er staan nou sonder 'n wiel daarso. Without a wheel. Let's go this way. Now I'm pumping the wheel up here. I have to fix it. And as you can see, come on. Okay, now you can see that. So pumping that wheel up. Stop. Stop. Right. Let's see. There's kit here. I fixed my tire with this kit. Okay. I must buy another few ropes. I've only 2 left. I hope it's going to last some time until I need a new tire. And now that pickup, the bakkie, die merk is nou opgefiks ook. It's raak nou donker, it's like becoming dark. So I fixed the paint maak, yeah, when the engine is loaded onto. Oh my goodness. That when some of it came on there. Okay, just a black paint, I can just fix it up. So there, the chip mark, and then I must make a little bit tiny speck of this color and then just touch it up. Yeah, so let's go to the wheel again. Now I must put the wheel on. Fit the tire wheel back onto the car. Okay. Right, it's hanging there on its hook. Put the pipe on there, on the nails. That's just what do we call it? Drill, impact drill. Right, turn the light off. Trek die lig dood. Right, pull the light dead. Okay, now I must take the wheel down there. I had to do this to balance, let them balance tires, wheels, because you cannot do it the old-fashioned way. No. Okay, that's going to be tight. Let's see if that thing comes there. There's it in its place. Get the jack down. Alright. And then I must take this thing and the jack handle and the jack. Okay. Blooming pipes. Put that thing up. Yeah. Come on now. So the jack. Okay. Alright. So that is it. And the nail. What thing is that? Oh, that's to cut the excess of rope off. This is what was in the tire. What is it? A little bolt, screw bolt or whatever. Okay, put this. This must go in the fridge and this must go. Yeah. In En dat, wat is het? Two package. Right. Okay. Who gave me that? Anyway, we can put some screws into the broodblik, the bread tin. Okay, then I go on with the story. Did I say? Yeah, I already said bye-bye from the Lister video. This is just an extension of it, what I did after that. Let's stop this filming. Have a nice day, evening, whatever. Met 'n goeie aand of 'n dag of wat ook al, hè. Tot de volgende keer. Until the next time. So, well, let's go. Kom ons gaan. Water level deur die dak. Water is leaking through the roof. There you can see it. It is full of holes, as you can see. Right. Now here, the first time I've seen water flowing down here too. Look at the water there. Okay, so the wheel I fixed was this way. The right hand side rear tire, that was the tire taken off, the wheel. But die wheel reggemaak aan die regterkant agter. So nou moet ek kyk of dit kan start met deze ding, want lankelaas geloop. It's long time since I've used it. See the battery is okay. It's very cold today, 12 degrees, 12 grade Celsius, en die battery kan miskien nie werk nie. Okay, so ek gaan nou eers kyk of ek kan start deze ding, en of al dan nie. Now, it's raining on top of this roof, and on the other roofs, of course. On all die dakke reën het. Voila, it's running. Okay, let's go. Kom ons kyk of ons kan inkom. Water is flowing strong down the kloof. En dit vlieg sterk in die kloof af. raining strong now at this moment, yeah. Or a lot, whatever. It's nie raining nou te baie hier nie. So heel veel nie. Maar hier is a disaster. This is a disaster. Now this is Huys River and it's full flood at this moment. As you can see there. And there's a waterfall on the other side. I made a video of it last time. Can we zoom into it further? Yeah. See that white stripe coming down there? And that is a very seldom scene. Dit is baie selde dat daardie waterval vloei. So, daar af. En die rivier is baie sterk. Kyk al die water daar so. Look at all the water there. And all the traffic coming down. The pass, of course, this is a Huys River pass. Look in the land there on the left hand side. The whole land is full of water. And a piece of the one at the bottom there, at the right hand side. Let's go further. There is another waterfall. Let's zoom into that one. Ah, that's a nice big one there. Oh my, so too far out. So, somebody stop there. Okay.
Yes, dis dan maar vir jou water.
Ja, nee, dis baie water. Dit also.
Yes, ek wil kyk hoe daai rivier daar onder ons bly.
Hy lyk baie erg hier. Hy was nog nooit so hoog wat ek van weet nie.
Hy's lief. Dis ons een van hulle wat daar by ons verbyloop.
Ja. Nee, dit is die hoogste wat ek hom in 'n baie lang tyd gesien. Althans hy 2 keer afgekom die jaar, a second time this year, but this is the highest this year. Dit is die hoogste wat hy van die jaar afgekom het. Hy kom seker nog aan ook. Still coming on. En daai kyk waterval daar oorkant. En die waterval hier, daai ene loop bitter selde. Daai een daar. Sien jy daar reg oor? Daai ene. Hy loop baie selde.
Ja.
Ja, hy loop hy's bitter skaars om te doen.
Mooi ene daar so.
Ja, gaan kyk daar. Gaan daar stop waar die kar aankom daaronder.
Is dit?
Dan kan jy sien. Okay.
Ek moet net plat voor plat toe. Ek kan nie die raai rivier raak of wat nie so lyk.
Oh, yeah. So he says he's not going to work today because he's going to be trapped behind water. Hy gaan agter water vassteek vandag. Hy gaan maar terug na die plek waar hy slaap. En hy sit in kaggel aansteek. He's going to put the fireplace on for heat and stay at home. He's not going to work today. Okay, let's go on for the story. Not going to get out now. Ek gaan nie nou uitklim nie. As ek het daar bo gestop. There. And now I went down a little bit. And now we can this waterfall again. Come on now. How far can you zoom in? Yeah. See there? It's now very close. Oh, enlarged. Vergroot. Oopsie. Let's slowly down. Right. And zoom out. That's the looks in the distance. So, okay, let's do it once. ja. Goed, dan weer verder ry. Now I'm going down there and we're going to have a look at the land. Ons gaan kyk na die land daaronder. Hierso. Hoe lyk dit daar? Okay, I was up there. Ek was daarbo. Let's have a look at this down here. Now there is a part of the land in the water. And then here is also some water. In the whole land here. In die hele land hier is daar nou water wat vloei. Dis 'n hele storie en daar is die waterval. Over there, the waterfall. There. And the water in the land. The neighbors land. Okay, let's go. It's raining. We gaan terug na auto. I don't want to start on and off. Ooh, look at this. But the battery is flat. Okay, yeah. This is a disaster. And it's still coming, I reckon. Okay, let's go to the other side. This is Ice River. Look at it down there. Wow, it's wide. Flowing wide. Okay, let's go on with the story. Just around the turn there, around the corner, from the drive. I must clean this thing. It's going to stop recording. You can skoonmaak if you gaan ophou record. I was there by the bridge now by the Ice River. Now I'm around the bend, around the corner, from the drive. Let's see. Woo, what the heck is going on here with Houtkloof? Houtkloof is very strong. Wow, this is terrible. You can hear the rocks rolling down there. You can die rotse rol hier onder. Saam met die water. Look at the waterfall at the top there. Wow. Zoom into it. Wow, that's so strong. Baie sterk. Okay, this is nou Houtkloof hier onder. Rollende klippe. Nou gaan ek aan die ander kant van die weg. Okay, passing over the road. For car comes. Voor 'n kar kom. Look at that. Oops, sorry. Wow. Isn't it all the rocks rolling? Phew. Now you know what disaster that down there. going on there, disaster going on there. But on okay. On with the road. That road. Bridge. Let's see. We can see something here. Oh, to get out of the car. Okay. Sorry for all of this. Wow. Bridge number 2. They numbered it incorrect. They numbered it number 1. This is actually number 2. Okay, and then we see how it leaves us towards that direction. Good. Now it's down there. It flows into the Gamka River. I don't know if Gamka is coming down. Weet nie of Gamka weer afkom nie. Ons kom nou kyk môre of oormôre. Okay. Now finish with this story. Okay, tot ziens van die video. Ik zeg bye bye van die video. Tot de volgende video. Ja, sorry. Voor de camera. Dankie voor subscriptie. Thank you for subscribing. Ja, en stay safe. Blijf veilig. Tot de volgende keer. Until the next time. Bye.